Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a fish aquarium in Minecraft. First, gather your essential materials. You will need plenty of glass blocks, at least 2 water buckets, and a light source like sea lanterns. Next, select the perfect spot for your aquarium and decide on its size. A good starting size might be a 5 by 5 by 5 block area. Clear the chosen space and start building the outer walls using your glass blocks, ensuring a sturdy foundation. Now it is time to fill your new tank with water. Use your water buckets to place water blocks, ensuring every block inside the aquarium becomes a source block to prevent flowing water. Once filled, grab a bucket of fish and venture into the ocean to capture your desired aquatic friends. Release them into their new home. Remember to add beautiful coral, sea pickles, and other natural decorations to make it truly vibrant. Proper lighting is crucial for a stunning aquarium. Strategically place sea lanterns or glowstone blocks on the floor or ceiling to illuminate the entire tank, creating a beautiful glow. For the tank's base, consider using sand, gravel, or dirt blocks to mimic a natural seabed. Finally, enhance the aesthetic by planting kelp, seagrass, and placing different types of coral blocks. These elements provide both beauty and a more natural habitat for your fish. To keep your aquatic friends happy, ensure there is ample space for them to swim. Overcrowding can make your aquarium look cluttered and less appealing. Periodically inspect your glass walls for any cracks or leaks and repair them immediately to maintain water integrity. As you become more experienced, consider expanding your aquarium with new sections or even connecting it to other creative builds. Enjoy your thriving underwater world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.